Howdy y'all, it's Jana from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with day 19 of May I Scraplift You. Today we are scrap lifting Holly of Ivy Cole Creations. Last I checked, she was at 739 subscribers, so I know she is going to be super excited to get to that 1,000 mark. And I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style, and I am combining this with 52 weeks of favorite photos, hosted by Miranda Weber of My Scrappy Life. So I am going to scrap lift this layout of Holly's. I absolutely love how she can take just a few pieces and make a stunning layout and make it look super easy. I love how she did all the little boxes. They're not perfect. It don't go all the way to the edges. It's all different patterns. Probably she used scraps, I'm guessing, that she had. And she has a little mixed media, 2 pictures, and I love it. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I am using my How to Kill a Kit, so I'm using Gnomes for Spring collection, and I already have my squares that I cut out to use. And I have a few butterflies from the ephemera, a flower, this little metal word that says home that someone sent me, and then I have a sticker that I'm going to use as a title from the collection. And I have a sheet of white cardstock. This is just plain old Walmart cardstock. And then I have these 2 photos of me in my garden. They were taken on different days, but I don't care. And then I have my Distress Oxides. And I'm going to use salvage patina and scattered straw. I have my water, my package to just do some smushing. And this is going to be a really easy layout. And we're going to just work on putting it together. So first I'm going to do my smushing, and then I'm going to work on putting my squares down. Okay, so I've got all my squares, my mixed media, my photos, and at this point I am just going to finish it up by adding a few of the little butterflies and the flower and the titles. I think I'm going to put this one down here. And then I want to do my title up here. I love it so far. And I'm going to add this little flower. And I think I want to make a trail of the butterflies. So let's see here. I got some bigger ones and some smaller ones. This one, these little three was all one. They were all connected together. It was just a little 3 ephemera piece, and I fussy cut all of them apart so that I could have multiple butterflies since I didn't have any more. I've been having to think up stuff in a different, look at it in a different light, in a different way, and use my embellishments. Especially whenever it comes to stickers, because I am the world's worst about not using up my stickers that come with the collection. So I've been trying to really be aware of where I can stick more things to use it all up. Just kind of do like a little trail of butterflies. I may actually go back and add a little bit of bling to the centers. But, look at all my flowers I grew. And this is my rose bush, my knockout roses. They are taller than I am. They're almost as tall as the house this year. This is from a few years ago. I think this is maybe 2 years ago. But I grew all of those flowers myself, which is super exciting to me. And I can't wait for this year. So, that is pretty much going to be the layout. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you will go over and check out Holly at Ivy Cole Creations and help her reach her 1,000 subscriber mark. She makes such beautiful layouts and she always keeps her videos really short. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope that this inspired you. And until next time, bye y'all.